Hi guys, it's Shell and Clint.
Hello everybody.
We're going to do a quick flip through of this journal. Sorry, let me move some of my stuff out of the way. And just to let you know, this one will be going up today in my Etsy store at 11 a.m. So, okay, so there's about 1.5 inch spine, so it's a 6-inch soft cover. Clint made this. You can find it under junk journal covers. And then we put the lace on it, which is so pretty. And then he put this binding, seam binding, as the tie.
Crinkly crap.
Crinkly crap. And this was about 12 pages for 2 signatures. So that's about 48. So just under 100 pages to journal on, front and back. So let's go through there. It is 9 inches tall. There are beads on the tie-in strings. And beautiful cover, beautiful lace throughout. Coffee dyed paper. Here's a little pocket journaling spot. And then just a little decorated pocket there. Fabric flip. And then this is a little pocket made out of envelopes. We did go through this whole journal, making it pretty much start to finish. So if you want to know more about it, you can certainly go check out some of the other videos. Coffee dyed paper. Here is a cute belly band and then just a little tuck spot under there. Cute paper. I love this paper. And then here's those beads. Bead dangles. This one has a bunch of secret journaling spots in it. So this is just some paper you can journal on. This is an envelope and you pull it from down here, so where the lace is. And so you can journal on that. Maybe it's not as noticeable to a lot of people, you never know. Beautiful papers in this journal. Coffee dyed paper. This is a handmade, I think it's a watercolor paper. Coffee dyed paper. Here's a little pocket. Some ledger paper. Crunchy. This is, I forgot what that's called. My brain just went blank. It's real parchment paper, I think. Coffee dyed paper. This is an ultimate tuck spot. You can use this tag. It pulls out and helps you kind of get a start of pulling this down up like that, and then you can journal on this. When you go to put it back in, you just want to make sure this is on one of the sides. And then you're just going to tuck it in there. So that's the ultimate tuck spot that Clint created. Then we have this page. Ledger. Here's a little envelope or a paper clip. A doily, coffee dyed paper. This is just like the other one, so we have a little tag here, and then this is just going to slide out for another secret journaling spot. This is a waterfall that I created in here. There is a pocket here, and then this, if you pull this, there's a secret journaling spot here too. You can journal there as well, and it's magnetized, so it does close nicely. I love that, and I love this paper so much I put it in here twice. So here's another belly band, and then I just put some fun cutouts under there. Coffee dyed paper, fabric flip. Coffee dyed paper, a really fun blue piece. And this is, I believe this was a piece of wallpaper made into a pocket, and then just a bunch of goodies in there. You can decorate, or you can take out and use it in one of your own projects. Coffee dye paper, a doily ledger. Is that parchment paper? This is one that we handmade. And there you go. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. We both loved this journal. I think the lace really made it, and just made it fun. So thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure and hit that subscribe button. If you're interested in this journal, head over to the Ramblin' Crafter on Etsy. The link will be below in the details. And be sure and hit that subscribe button, and we will see you guys in the next video. See you soon. Bye.
Bye, guys. Thank you for visiting. Cousins.